So here is the next issue that I wanted to talk about. When we see that we have a misspelling on our birth certificate, we have to notify the registrar's office right away. We cannot just continue with the document with the wrong name, but using it on different documents in the way we want it to be. So for instance, you were named Barbara, Barbara, but you don't like it, you want to change it to Barbara, Barbra. You cannot just start using Barbara on your driver's license, on your school certification. You can't just start using the name you like or the spelling you like. You have to fix your documents. Imagine later on you present a passport with Barbara, Bara, and you have your school leaving certificate or your licensing certificate that says Barbra, Barbara. These documents do not match. If you got a driver's license, and I've seen this many times, person will get a driver's license in a name that is not the name on their birth certificate or not the same spelling. They might use that driver's license to get a bank account. The passport will always have the name that is on your birth certificate. The passport office will use no other name. And people will say to me, but that's my name. Your name is whatever is on your birth certificate. Your American passport can't tell you what your name is. Your green card can't tell you what your name is. If you don't like the name on your birth certificate, don't use a different spelling of the name. Get it fixed, either with a deed poll or a correction of error. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.